Immaculate and exceptional location. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home has generous space and loads of natural light. The 2-car extended garage is a big bonus. Walk inside the bright foyer, west/additional storm door for cross breezes. The dining room enjoys a sliding glass door to an outside courtyard, perfect for a private garden sanctuary. Kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, and yet another sliding glass door to your private deck with vinyl fencing, to grill or enjoy dining al fresco. The great room has been extended to add extra square footage under air for year-round comfort. An entire wall of glass doors in the great room have been treated with solar film, and showcase a beautiful view of the community heated pool and gardens. All glass door screens have been replaced. Both bathrooms and shower fixtures are new. AC 2019 master bathroom has an additional vanity, and master bedroom enjoys a roomy walk-in closet. The separate, desirable laundry room has lots of extra storage. New gutters have been added for good drainage. This villa is on a quiet cul-de-sac and a dead street. Village in the Pines North is an established 55 and older community. It is close to Siesta Key, shopping, and all that Sarasota has to offer. It is well landscaped and a tucked-away oasis. Experience Florida living at its finest. Ask for your free 3D Matterport tour.